Hey, Chris here from Productive Men, and today we're tackling a common challenge for guys who like the idea of eating better but struggle to build it into a habit. Meal prep for busy men. Now, we all know how hard it can be to balance work, fitness, and personal life, let alone find time for meal planning, grocery shopping, and cooking. But let's face it, relying on takeout or processed food isn't doing our health or our wallets any favours. Meal prep really is a game changer, especially if you're aiming to stick to a fat loss or a muscle building diet. It saves time, it keeps you on track with your nutrition goals, and honestly, it can be pretty satisfying. So let's dive into some quick and easy meal options that you can whip up in bulk, and let's make the kitchen finally work for you. If you're a busy guy, you probably often find yourself skipping meal planning and grocery shopping. It's easier to grab something on the go, but this habit can derail our fitness goals and leave us feeling sluggish. The time spent in the kitchen can seem like a luxury that we can't afford, but here's where meal prep truly shines, because it's all about investing a few hours to save a whole lot more throughout the week. Now, as much as Instagram gurus make it seem like meal prepping is just about cooking and using lots of little containers, it's more of a strategy. You see, it helps you stick to your dietary goals, whether that's loss or muscle gain, by ensuring you always have healthy portion controlled meals at hand. Plus, it cuts down on daily decision making and last minute unhealthy choices. You're essentially streamlining your diet just like you'd streamline your job for maximum efficiency. So let's look at 3 quick and easy options for breakfasts, lunches, and dinners if you're trying to nail meal prepping. Breakfast overnight oats involves mixing rolled oats with Greek yogurt, protein powder, and a bit of milk. Throw in some berries or nuts and then leave it in the fridge overnight. It's a no-cook, grab-and-go kind of breakfast. With egg muffins, you whisk eggs, chop veggies, and cook lean meat. Pour in a muffin tin and bake. They're like personal mini omelets, and you can eat them throughout the week. Then for protein pancakes, blend oats, bananas, eggs, and protein powder, cook on a skillet, make a big batch, and then reheat in the mornings for a quick, satisfying start to your day. Nice. Now, let's look at lunch options. Now, bear with me here. Try quinoa salad. It is super high in protein and tastier than it looks. Cook up a large batch of quinoa, mix in your choice of veggies, beans, and a protein like chicken or tofu. Dress with olive oil and lemon. It's nutritious and it stays fresh for days. Or for turkey wraps, fill with turkey, cheese, and lettuce and a bit of mustard or hummus. They're easy to pack and they are perfect for on the go. And then even burrito bowls for lunch. Just layer some rice, beans, corn, grilled veggies, and a protein like beef or chicken. Top it with salsa. It is super filling, nutritious meal. You can make it in bulk and then customize it to your liking. Now finally, let's look at a few dinner options that lend themselves to advanced meal prepping. Stir-fried chicken and veggies is quick to make in enough volume for 3 to 4 portions in a large wok or pan. So use your favourite veggies and the lean protein again. Serve it with rice or our old trend, quinoa. Then with baked salmon, just season a load of salmon fillets and bake, then store in the fridge. Separately, then cook a batch of steamed broccoli and sweet potatoes. It's simple, delicious, and it's packed with good-for-you nutrients. And then lastly, beloved of Irishmen, we have beef and vegetable stew. Slow-cook beef chunks with veggies in a broth. It's a one-pot meal that gets better with time, and it freezes well too. So with meal prepping, it's not just about eating right, it's about living right. It frees up time, reduces stress, and keeps you focused on your goals. So give those meals a try, and you will be amazed how many hours you save each week having to think about what to eat. Now, if you found those tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to Productive Men for more practical advice on living a productive, healthy life. Don't forget to share your favourite meal prep ideas in the comments below. And until next time, stay productive and eat well. I'll chat soon.